Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to turn on game mode in Windows 11 operating system. Go to Start, right click here and go to Settings. Here we came to Settings page. On left side we can see the gaming option. Click on this gaming. We can see now here Xbox game bar, captures and game mode. Click on game mode option here. By default in the game mode here it has disabled. Okay, click on this toggle button and make it enable the game mode in Windows 11 operating system. And also you can go to settings by clicking on search option and type here settings. Here it will redirect to settings page, and from here also you can click gaming option and you can go to gaming mode and you can enable it here also. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video.